Nigeria. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, so we're vlogging today and maybe until the end of the week, who knows. Today is Thursday, right? Yes, today is Thursday and
today is Thursday.
anyways, so today is Thursday and I have a couple of things to do at home and out of the house. I'm supposed to declutter my wardrobe once again. I've been procrastinating for like 2 days. I want to rebraid my hair because the thing that is underneath this scarf, apology, that's all I can say. But anyways, I want to do that. I want to declutter my room or my wardrobe, clear my room because it's a mess. Hopefully rebraid my hair, and then I have to go out to shop for someone. So that's basically most of the things I have to do today. I'm just going to try to start decluttering or start arranging the wardrobe or something, and then I'll get back to you guys, okay? And that's Eunice over there. Eunice, say hi. What's that?
I don't know. Hi guys. Good morning. Did you guys sleep well? Because I did.
That's a Zara bag I ordered. I don't want to take it out of the pack yet because I don't know where to fix it. So that's why I'm trying to declutter to have more space in my room. So yeah, that's it. So I'm going to start with what I have to do. This is out, so I'm going to start with this. So much going on there. So much. So today's Friday, right? Yes, I'm about to go to the post office to deliver some goods, and then I'm going to the mall with Eunice. I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So yesterday was a long day, okay? So many things came up and I forgot I was vlogging. That's life. I forgot I was vlogging, but today I decided to pick up the camera and vlog. Maybe, you know, just show you guys around because we're going to a different mall today. We're going to Akbati mall in Bashak Shehir. I think that's the name, I don't know. But yeah, and I'm also going to the post office to deliver these boxes. So I'm just going to bring you guys along with me. So outfit for the day. Outfit for today is a black bodysuit from Zara, black jeans from Zara, jacket from Zara, and shoes from Bershka. So that's the outfit for today. This fringe keeps entering my eyes. So we just got to the post office and that's my package. That's my package over there, and this is what the post office looks like. So I have to wait for someone to answer me. Guys, there's a pimple here. Why is there a pimple in the middle of my forehead? Why is there a pimple in the middle of my eyebrows? Why has this pimple decided to come and kill my market? Why? But I'll be alright. So I'm just waiting for someone to answer me because this place seems rowdy. There's so many people here. So I'm just waiting. So I just left the I don't know why this fringe is trying to embarrass me. It's trying to embarrass me, but it's needed to cover these huge pimples in the middle of my forehead. It looks like a boil. Like, what's this nonsense? We just left the post office. Guys, what's this? Just left the post office. We're on our way to get something from someone, and then we'll go to the mall. How far? The number of times you've done this on my channel, eh? Eunice is going to change money. She has dollars. She has dollars on her, so she's going to change. And usually in the malls, it's usually on the ground or the first floor. And that's the Dovies. So the place where we change money is called Dovies. Like Dovies. Dovies Alton. So that's where they change money. But I love to look at puppies whenever I come here. And guys, this is like a pet store. Look at that one there. That one's scratching his body out to enter. Hello. Hi. Hi. Look how cute he is. If I ask them how much it is, will they tell us? I'll be priced with it. It's 20,000. 20,000, guys. All these dogs are 20,000 here. Oh, look at this one. Such a happy cutie. Oh. Hi. Hi. They say don't do that to the puppies. You used to hear words. So I want one. It's that brown one I like. So guys, in case you want to get a dog from the mall pet shop, just have like 20,000 TL in your pocket. I would prefer, I feel like it's better to get from like all these people that have dogs and they just want to sell. It would be cheaper, because if you come to the mall to get from them, those other dogs are like 6K compared to the ones in the mall. I don't have 20,000 TL to spend on a dog. Nope. Thank you. Hello. Nigeria. Oh. Guys, these kids are asking me where I'm from. That's so cute. That's the first time actually. Oh, they have plants. I was thinking of getting a plant, but I want something I don't have to care for all the time. So probably one of these ones. And it's $8.99. Oh, that's cool. Oh, they have these ones as well. That's pretty cool. They have aloe vera. $13.99. But I'm pretty sure I'll not take care of this aloe vera. So I'm not going to buy. They have aloe vera. And I'm pretty sure I'm not going to take care of them. Oh. No. I don't like entering this type of stores, because you start seeing things you've always wanted. And if you don't hold yourself, you will start spending money. I said me too. This store gives discounts if you register your number and get a card.
I don't have a number.
Are you about to get the card, Chinaza?
Yes, yes.
Oh, we like discounts. See, you see, if you are living, as in, it's like half the price. You get. So apparently the discount card kind of gives like half the price.
A huge
and it's like a home hardware store. And hello, we buy these things. Guys, one thing I love about Yves Rocher is they give gifts and they give discounts when your card is good. I don't know how to explain it. So we have this discount card. That's why I always say get discount cards. They're very necessary. They're very important. They have these discount cards that when you buy something, you just give them the discount card, and then they can give you like a particular discount. Like right now, they're telling Eunice if she buys 2 perfumes, she'll pay for 1 and get 1 free. Basically, you buy 1 get 1 free. So if you have the card, or buy 4 pay for 2 get 2 free. So see, they will put you in temptations that you cannot escape except you have a strong heart and mind. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Get your Yves Rocher cards, discount cards, and thank me later. So guys, Cynthia came to join us.
Hi guys.
So we are 4 here right now. Anyways, we're waiting for Eunice and Chinaza. We're currently at this restaurant. We came to have dinner. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I can't wait to eat. So guys, one thing with Turkish people, they always bring bread before your meal comes. I don't know if this is some sort of... What are you feeling them?
You know what they say, Jesus broke bread.
No. Even lots of our bread is not sad. We just got to Chinaza's place. We came here to just, you know, chill and relax since the mall is close to her place, and it's currently 8. I think it's like past 8, because when we were at the restaurant they told us they're closing at 8 o'clock because there's a new curfew, so we have to go home, or we have to leave the restaurant. So yes, that's what's happening in Turkey. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. So we're just going to hang out with Chinaza for a while and then go back home. So maybe I might close the vlog here or not. This is the view. Anyway, so guys, I think this is where I'm going to close the vlog, because we're going to spend some time here, and by the time I get home I'm sure I'll be tired and I'll forget about this thing. Oh god. But anyways, I'm sure I'll forget about this, so I'm just going to say bye to you guys now. Okay, bye guys.